Welcome members. Today I want us to look at multiplication of bigger numbers. Just using few steps. You can multiply even numbers bigger than these ones just to quickly and you get an answer. So stay tuned and follow the video to the end. Yes, members, we are going to multiply 865 times 345. So this method is called multiplication using the lattice method. So it is simply a box, and this is how we construct or we draw it. So basically we are going to multiply now. And so if you're to multiply, we shall start with 5 and 3. This is the 5 I'm talking of, and then the 3. So by that I mean we shall multiply 5 times 3. So the answer is 15. So we shall write the 5 here. That is for the ones. And then the 1 here. Let me hope we are together. So we have 15. So 15 is a two-digit number with two place values. That is the ones and then the tens. So down here, we record 5 under the ones, and then this one is under the tens, and so it record it up there. So we proceed. We are multiplying now 6 times 3, and we shall get the answer as 18. So 8 is under the ones, and I write it there, and then 1 is under the tens, I write it above here. We proceed. We shall have 8 times 3. Simply the answer is 24, where we shall have 4 under the ones, and then 2 under the tens. We proceed. We shall have 5 times 4, which will give us 20. We shall have 0 under the ones, and then 2 under the tens. So for the tens, we record them up, and then the ones, we record them below. We proceed. We shall have 4 times 6, which will give us 24. We shall have 4 under the ones, and then 2 under the tens. We proceed. We have 8 times 4. That one will give us 32. We shall have 32 under the ones, and then 3 under the tens. Let's proceed, members. Let me hope we are following and we are on track. So for anything, feel free and contact me using the comments just below. You write a comment. Yeah. We shall have 5 times 5. That one will give us 25. We shall have 5 under the ones, and then 2 under the tens. We proceed. 6 times 5. We shall have 30. So we shall have 0 under the ones, and then 3 under the tens. We proceed. We shall have 8 times 4. That one will give us 40. We shall have 0 under the ones, and then 4 under the tens. So we are done with multiplying. Now, this is how we get to the answer. So, members, this is how we get to the answer. It is very simple. So, we follow these diagonals. I've done that line. I've done this line. Let me hope you are getting. Those are the diagonals we are to follow. So, for the diagonals, I mean these lines that are slightly bending. They are slightly bending. So, if you are to follow this diagonal, we shall have here 5. And now, if you are to follow the diagonals, we simply add what we all have in those diagonals. So by that, here we shall have 5. Here we shall have 5. Then here we shall have 0 plus 2. Then plus 0, we shall simply get 2. We proceed. We shall have 5 plus 2, that is 7. Plus 4, that is 11. Plus 3, that is 14. Let me hope you are following, members. We are adding this. We shall have 5 plus 2. That will give us 7. Then 7 plus 4, that will give us 11. Then 11 plus 3, that will give us 14. Now, for this case, you simply write your 4 here and carry the 1 to another diagonal. Are we together? So we simply have now 1 plus 1, which will give us 2. Then plus 8, that is 10. Then plus 2, that is 12. Then plus 2, that is 14. Then plus 2, that is 18. So we shall still have here 8. We shall have still here 8. we shall have 8, and then we bring here our 1. We carry the 1 there up. So then we shall have 1 plus 1, which will give us 2. Then 2 plus 4, that will give us 6. Then 6 plus 3, it will simply give us 9. Then lastly, we shall have 2 in this column, 2 here. So simply, this will give us the answer as... So after following all the diagonals and we have added correctly, so this is how we shall get the answer. We shall simply follow this arrow of numbers, where we shall have 2, 9, 8, 4, 2, and 5. So this is the answer to what we have multiplied. Remember, we have multiplied 865 times 345. And so this is our answer. So try it out, test as many numbers as you can, and prove this method, because really it is working and it does not need any calculator. So if you practice it more, remember mathematics is all about practice, then you'll multiply numbers, bigger numbers, quickly minus use of any calculator or any mechanical or computerized tool. So if you have found this video educative, kindly consider liking and subscribing.